back pass. So we're starting with our basic, slow, quick, quick, slow, into separation. I rock forward, Melina goes back, and now quick, quick, slow. So she's walking forward, and I'm getting out of her way. So we'll do that last part here, quick, quick, slow. I'm going to step side. She continues to walk forward and turn and side. From here, we're finished with the lady's underarm turn, and quick, quick, slow, and side together. So we'll do this from this angle. We start with our basic, slow, quick, quick, slow. I invite Melina into my right side, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick.